Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here today. We have our Rose War Panty Power RWPP box, so let's get into it and check it out. This box is sent to me for review. It is $37.50 per month. That includes free priority shipping. I will put the link and my code below that will get you 30% off your first box. Let's get into it and check it out. This one, we know some of the things that are in here because the beauty is, and it's the whole reason, we get them every month because this is a period box. Although it doesn't have to be. Look how pretty it looks for October. Oh my gosh, it looks very fall festive. If you don't need period products anymore, you can let her know and you will get a extra lifestyle instead. Our paperwork says, welcome to October, and it's a box full of happiness. And on the inside, there are the products. You will check off the ones you receive because there is variation in it. We open it up, that is what it looks like. We have snacks right on top. We get snacks every month. We get period products every month, unless you don't need them. And we get undies every month, unless, well, no, not unless you don't need those. You do get those, but your choice with them is you can have no thongs, all thongs, a combination. You can just let her know your preferences. She carries from small to 3X. It's fantastic. So let's dig in and get our snacks out. I have Fritos, the original, and a Nutri-Grain bar, and Black Forest original. Oh, I think they're gummy bears. Yum. Let's gloss up and check that out. Who doesn't love a gummy bear? Yes, they are. So juicy, so good. So they're made with real juice. Oh, that's awesome. All right, so those are our snacks. So we will have snacks each month in the box. Next, we will have our period products. You will get 15 products. You can get, they are organic products. You can get all tampons, all pads, a combination, which is what I choose. When you get the pads, you get them in different sizes. And this has a value of $9. You will also get a couple of stallmates each month. I love to throw these in my purse just for a little cleanup on the go. They are super handy. And then we also get each month our undies. You will get 2 pair of undies. Like I said, you can choose from small to 3X. Let her know if you want thongs or no thongs. You will receive all kinds of designs, lots of different cuts. This is my first pair. How pretty are they? It's a really nice light cotton. I imagine they feel super, super nice on. I love the way the elastic feels. It doesn't feel real elasticy on it, but it's got good pull. I like these a lot, and it's just kind of a hipster fit. And next out, we have a black pair. Yay. Oh, it's a thong. Hold on. We have to be sure and get it right, because if you were here, you know, a few months ago, I showed the front and the back wrong on a thong, and that could be a very uncomfortable mistake. This is just a cute little black pair. It's from brand Fine too. It has a little tag. This one feels really nice too. It's kind of a cross between a cotton and a poly. I would say there's probably, actually it's 95% cotton, 5% spandex. I was gonna say, it feels like there's some span in there. So these are super cute. And the undies have a value of $8 to $30. Okay, now we have our lifestyle products. We generally have about 3. Sometimes she throws in bonuses. We're just gonna dig right in. And on top, I have TFB Trust Fund Beauty. Ooh, it's nail polish. Yay, I love nail polish. That is what that looks like. Let's dig in here and check it out. This has a $15 value. Oh, and it's perfect. Look how perfect that is for fall. That is, I just did my, I don't know what I'm putting up first. Spoiler alert, I just did my EXO marshmallow, and I have little stickers in it that are little Halloween stickers, and this one was candy. They would be so cute on top of this color for Halloween. Perfect. And the beauty is, I don't think it's so orange that you could only use it for Halloween. You know what? I'm gonna make a couple more videos so you guys will be in the know about why I have one nail that just doesn't match the others. And of course, keep in mind, I'm putting this over green, but that's kind of what it looks like. I mean, it's over that green, so it's given it a little bit of a deeper color, but that is an orange that I can wear. I like that a lot. What do you guys think? I think that will be super cute for fall. All right, and this has a $15 value. Next out, we have Life Update. I'm hungry again. I'm gonna tell you what, the way my life is going lately with all of the dieting that I'm trying to do, that's not an untrue statement. I'm kind of hungry. It's my own fault. You get plenty to eat on Weight Watchers. You just have to be very mindful of what you eat. I'm trying to keep my pinky out of everything now. So this feels like plastic. And that is what it looks like once you get it out. And I'm betting there's utensils in here. Oh, wow. Oh, this is super cute. I would love this in my purse. So it's a little utensil set. So you've got a little reusable fork, spoon, and knife. And the knife would even cut, I think. Oh my gosh. I'm going to tuck a couple of these. I have a couple of these sets. I'm going to tuck them in a bag to keep in my car for when we're traveling to Disney, we're driving. And I'm going to tuck some of these in there. This one seems perfect. Actually, because of the container, I might could get 2 in here. And it says eco-friendly utensil set, and it has an $18 value from Glowing Seahorse. Well, that is super cute. Next out, I have magical memo cards. I had something like this last month or the month before that. This is super cute. I'm not sure if it was this or not. It says they have a $14.99 value, and it says uplift those closest to your heart with a message radiating love. And this is from Goddess Provisions, which I think actually is another box. Super cute. And last out, we have Stay Real, Stay Loyal, or Stay Away From Me. Well, I don't know what this is yet, but that is so, oh, it's from, that's also a box. So this is very interesting. We have 2 things in here that you would get from different boxes. This one's from Smart Button Sass. Doesn't rhyme as well as what they actually named it. Oh, it's a compact, I think. Is it? Yes. Oh. And she has, I don't think there's any way for me to show you this, but the top is a magnifying mirror. So the top says, oh no, there's 0% chance I can get you that. It says, don't kill my vibe. And then on the inside, there are 2 mirrors, and this one is a magnifying mirror. So if I actually am out and want to do something to my face, I will actually be able to see my face. Is that true? Yep. Could totally do my lips with, oh, my lips need a little redo. Could totally do my lips without my glasses on. And that is handy when I'm out. I will absolutely be sticking this in my purse. Little touch up. And that is our Rose War Panty Power box. How cute is this? Oh, what does it say on the back? Oh, it's the branding again. So that is cute. So for our lifestyle products, we have the compact, the utensil set, this really cute nail polish, and the note cards. And then we have our period products. I have 9 tampons and 6 pads. We have the 2 Stallmates that we get each month. We have our snacks. This month we got Fritos, a Nutri-Grain bar, and some gummy bears. And we received our undies. That is all $37.50, but you will get 30% off your first box with my link and code below. Super cute, super handy. I love that it's just delivered to your door, and it's organic period products, which I think in this day and age, not knowing what we're coming across in the products we buy, I think that is fantastic. Thank you so much for coming by. If you have any questions, just let me know below. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so they'll let you know when I have more videos coming out, and I hope I see you again really soon. Bye guys.